Are you okay, Sasha?
Yeah, I'm great.
Turn around, go home, and get back into bed.
I'll be fine. Besides, Max needs an objective opinion about her. But a dress.
Thank you. But for the sake of my date tonight, maybe you should keep a safe distance.
What's the worst that can happen? You have to cancel and you can't reschedule for like 7 days.
It's the black too. Come let us pray.
I wrote red.
Yeah, I would too, except the neckline isn't plunging. It's on a suicide mission.
I'm fine. It's just a cold or some 24-hour bug. By this time tomorrow...
By this time tomorrow, you're going to be on day 2 of antibiotics.
First, a little celebration. I would like to present these on behalf of the Salem Music Awards to Miss Faith Taylor, the best newcomer of the...
Oh, sorry.
Of the season. Miss Taylor, bless you. Miss Taylor owes all of her success to Scott Vann, a record producer extraordinary. Bless you. Are you okay?
Scott.
Well, what's the matter? What, are you allergic to me or something?
No, it's the daisies. They make me sneeze in my throat.
Oh, okay. Whoa, geez, why didn't you say so? I'll get them out of here right now. Here, just sit down and rest.
Hi, Faith. Eve, I just heard the good news. Congratulations.
Yes, I'd like to order some flowers for Miss Faith Taylor. Yes, a very special bouquet. Scott.
What's wrong? What's wrong? What's the matter? Daisies? No, don't tell me. You can't miss this audition. No, damn it, you can't. Make it just...
Wait, Scott, wait.
I'd like to kill whoever sent those flowers.
It wasn't you?
Why the hell would I send you daisies? I know you're allergic to them.
I am exploding over here. I think there's something in the air.
Oh, bless you.
Thanks. Well, what do you know? The kid has manners after all. Can't say the same for you, Silas.
What is your problem? Pick up, because if you're coming down with something, you're gonna draw attention to yourself.
I'll be fine. Going to the car for tissues.
I don't like this,
I
Julia.
think it's an inspired idea, Brick.
Amy, do you know what it's like to be cooped up in one of these things for a few hours?
No. They've got ventilation holes, I'm sure of it. You may get a little cramped, but I couldn't think of a better solution.
No, I think it's wonderful.
God bless you.
Why are you sneezing?
Oh, I don't know. It probably has something to do with my running around on the ledge with nothing on but a towel. I'll be catching a cold.
Great, that's all we need.
I'm not gonna get sick. Don't worry about it.
Well, don't be, because you can't afford to be right now. Oh, baby.
Okay, where's your mom?
Incoming!
Go check on Scott for me, please.
But the parade's about to start.
Please, we have plenty of time. I just can't make it upstairs one more time.
I promise I won't let you miss out on any action, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you.
You okay?
Why, I don't look my best.
No, you always look beautiful,
Thank you.
but obviously you're sick.
I look so sick.
When did this happen?
I felt it coming on last night at Jordan and Curtis's bachelor and bachelorette thing, and I just woke up this morning feeling like hell.
I'm sorry.
Thanks.
What can I do for you?
Leave.
The stairs?
I'll manage.
No, we made plans to watch this parade together, and that's what we're gonna do.
Okay. Well, don't say I didn't warn you.
I thought you weren't hungry.
No, not for like food, but these are donuts.
What's the difference?
Are you kidding me? There's always room for donuts. Jason, you know how I say sometimes that I don't need to be rescued?
Which is true.
Sometimes it's really nice to be rescued. Thank you.
Anytime.